Okay, new project. So I picked up this drill rig. Picked it up for $4,000. It's an old Ausdrill air core rig. So it's got a onboard solar compressor. It's a 4x4 wheel drive sort of ex-military truck. So excellent, go anywhere. It's got a side box, cooler, controls. There's the head. There's the deck motor. Just needs a radiator. So this is a start. I haven't really done. I've all done is clean it. It looks really scabby, but if you know how much drill rigs cost and how much the components cost, $4,000 is not much money at all. That head there probably cost you $10,000. So yeah, so I can do water balls with it, and it's been well made. It's been made by a pretty major drilling contractor in their workshop, so it's been made well. There's all the components and parts, and it's very solid. So it's like pretty old, so everything is just 1/4" steel. So yeah, just fix it up, get it going, it'll last a lifetime. Okay, so we've got the rig going now, so all the engines going, the compressor's going, the main deck engine's going. I'm actually starting to drill a bit of a hole, making a bit of a mess in the backyard, trying to find a bit of water. There's the hammer's working well. I removed that, there was a cooler here before. I moved that and actually just grabbed a compressor off my brother, and I put that radiator and that cooler. This engine didn't have a radiator or cooler with it, so I managed to get it from my brother. So the funny part about it is the compressor we wrote off because we couldn't find a fuel injection pump for it, so we wrote it off, and now it looks like I found one, so I don't know what to do about that yet. Here's the compressor. It's a 2-stroke Detroit diesel, so very loud, revs very high, but Detroit's are really great motors. So here's the injection pump, water injection pump when you're doing the hammer work. Just gives you more volume, get the shit out of the hole. A little tub of water, some foam. So the old Bedford, that's a 6-cylinder diesel. So I think it's about 300, I think. So the only problem is the clutch is stuck on. So I can't start it in gear at the moment because the clutch is stuck on. It'll come loose eventually. So yeah, $4,000 for a going rig, which I'm drilling with. Probably, I don't know, I've probably never spent another $1,000 on it, just in bits and pieces and that. Put some tyres on it, a few bits and pieces, but you know, I'm drilling with it. It's an air rig, so maybe I'll sell it to some farmer or something. I'd love something like this. He can do his own bores, or even someone who wants to do water bores around town. So that's for the clutch. So I've got the clutch sort of strapped down. Got a bit of cancer. The door fell off when they were moving it. The doors. There's the door over there. But this is a 4-wheel drive military Bedford. It's a TK. It's a around 1970, something like that. And there's all the rods. But yeah, $4,000 with, had all those rods, 3 hammers, and bits and pieces. Can't go wrong.
wouldn't go.
Just get see these. Just give them a wash both sides. Reach up them also.